Hello once again and welcome to 512 Owen Sound St, our newest listing in Shelburne. Renovated from top to bottom, is perfect for the savvy investor or the growing family. With 3+1 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, 2 laundry rooms, and 2 bathrooms, it can be used as a duplex or it can be used for the growing family. With front and rear parking, access from the main road and the laneway, you can fit 6 vehicles in this property. Take a look around the house. I'll see you after the tour.